Quiz 1A, Subject and Object Pronouns. He, she, it, they, we, you, I. Subject pronouns: I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Number 1. My name is Alan. Am 12 years old. I am 12 years old. Number 2. My school is very big. Has more than 1,000 students. It has more than 1,000 students. Number 3. Everyone likes Miss Lee because is very kind. She. Everyone likes Miss Lee because she is very kind. Object pronouns: me, us, you, them, him, her, it. Number 4. My friends are all very funny. I like very much. Them. I like them very much. Number 5. I want to ask you a question. Can you tell about your school? I want to ask you a question. Can you tell me about your school? Number 6. Tom is a confident boy. Everyone wants to be the class monitor. Tom. Everyone wants him to be the class monitor. B. Complete the sentences with the correct personal pronouns. He, she, it, they, we, you, I. Him, her, it, them, us, you, me. Hi, my name is Teresa. I'm 13 years old. Have a sister called Irene. I'm 13 years old. I have a sister called Irene. She's in secondary 5. Both like reading fashion magazines. We both like reading fashion magazines. Irene often helps with my homework. Irene often helps me with my homework. My father is a worker. He works for long hours. I can only see at night. I can only see him at night.